Hey everyone, as your 11-reader library grows, keeping everything organized becomes more important. In this tutorial, I'll show you a few simple ways to manage your content so you can quickly find documents, books, and articles whenever you need them. First, open the 11-reader app or website and sign in to your account. Then head over to your library, where all of your uploaded and saved content is stored. Take a quick look through your library and identify the documents, books, articles, or notes you use most often. This helps you decide what should stay easily accessible and what you might want to remove or revisit later. When uploading new content, use clear file names whenever possible. Descriptive names make it much easier to recognize your documents later, especially if you have a large collection. If your version of 11-reader includes sorting or filtering features, so use them to organize your library by recent activity, file name, or other available options. These tools can save time when searching for specific content. If you no longer need certain documents, look for options to remove them from your library. Keeping only the content you regularly use makes your workspace cleaner and easier to manage. Each time you add new content, spend a moment organizing it before moving on. A consistent routine will help keep your library tidy and make it easier to find important files in the future. And that's how you can organize your content in 11-reader. A well-organized library makes it much easier to stay productive and quickly access the files you need. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.